Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
You see, to be candid, I saw one article yesterday. Some northerners are saying that North should prepare for separation. God. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tẹ́ bà Nigeria jẹ́ tán, you these northerners. Thomas sọ pé ta ló bring down country yìí, North ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ka president tó ti jẹ láti ní North now. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ka àwọn president tí wọ́n ti jẹ ní North. Látàrí Tafawa Balewa, ká tẹ̀ sọ pé àwọn yẹn gbìyànjú. Amadu Bello. From there, ó bọ́ sórí Yakubu Gowon. From Yakubu Gowon, a bọ́ sórí North wo ló tún jẹ lẹ́yìn Yakubu Gowon náà. Muritala Mohammed. Lẹ́yìn Muritala Mohammed, a bọ́ sórí Shagari. Lẹ́yìn Shagari, a bọ́ sórí Buhari. Lẹ́yìn Buhari, Babangida gbà. Lẹ́yìn Babangida, Abacha. Lẹ́yìn Abacha, Abdulsalam Abubakar. Lẹ́yìn Abdulsalam Abubakar, ta ló tún wà ńbẹ̀ o? Lẹ́yìn Abdulsalam Abubakar, Yar'Adua, ká tẹ̀ sọ pé yẹn gbìyànjú. Then Buhari tún padà wá again wá lò 8 years, ó jẹ́ 11 northerners. Yorùbá mélòó ló wà ńbẹ̀? Yorùbá méjì. Yíbò mọ́lẹ̀, Yíbò ẹyọ kan. No, Yíbò méjì náà, Nnamdi Azikiwe àti Ago Ironsi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ta ló wá bà Nàìjíríà jẹ́? Nígbà tí àwọn Yíbò ti ń sọ wípé àwọn fẹ́ lọ, they want to go, you people should leave them. What do? Kí ni Gowon ṣe? Kí ni Gowon ṣe? No, now. Accepted that when all these the people that colonize us, when they want to leave this country, they knew that you people don't know anything. They give you power. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni power tó wọn bá wọn lè control yín, wọ́n lè control North. Because wọ́n rí pé àwọn tó wà ní South yìí, wọ́n wà well educated. So ẹ̀yin North ò sì bẹ́ẹ̀ kàwé, okay ó yá ẹ máa control any power. So they give you that power, àwọn wá ń control yín nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe. It's the Northerners that brought down this country to where we are. So ó wá yà mí lẹ́nu for Northerners to come out again and say that we should prepare for separation. Ó yà mí lẹ́nu. Because you people, see, to be candid, we are ready for separation too. Ẹ jẹ́ kí everybody jókòó round table ká lọ, kí everybody lọ. Ọlọ́run kú ṣe Biafra ti ń pariwo láti 1960 something ní Biafra ti ń pariwo bí i 67 or 66 ní Biafra ti ń pariwo pé òun fẹ́ lọ tí ẹ̀ down. You people said no. Yoruba nation, about 15 years ago, they've been clamoring for it. We want to go. Even recently, was it not 2 days or 3 days or last week, Sunday Igboho went to UK Parliament to say that we want to move out of Nigeria. We want to leave Nigeria because people are suffering. Nigeria is not working again, and I don't think Nigeria can work. So I was just amazed. I was very happy when I see that article. The article, because it's going to, even Tabati separate, but the region and Amapadasi, Southern region, Northern region, and Eastern region, can Rapadasi be. In one region, you come a full federal. Because we cannot continue like this. Most of the leaders in North, they are the ones that damage this country. Because most of them who say to understand about government, that's wrong. Wọ́n kàn ṣe bó ṣe wọ́n ni, wọ́n kàn fi àwọn èèyàn, all the ministry, ẹlòmíì kò mọ̀ pọ́kàn pa aviation, wọ́n á sọ síbẹ̀, ẹlòmíì kò mọ̀ pọ́kàn pa finance, wọ́n á sọ síbẹ̀, wọ́n kàn kówó yẹn, wọ́n kó sí North. Kí ni development tó wà ní North up to now? Nothing. And that is why you see that insecurity pọ̀ ńbẹ̀, because most of their children wọ́n lọ sí school. Èèyàn tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ lọ school tó ṣiṣẹ́, á ṣàṣe kankan. Á ṣe kankan náà. Nǹkan tó kàn ń dùn mí fún àwọn East ni pé àwọn tó jẹ́ Igbo, I don't understand them. Why are you killing yourself? Why are you killing yourself? People why me? I didn't dispute what this guy is doing. Nnamdi Kanu. No, I supported him, but Boshegbe, I did not support the way he's doing it. Why are you killing people? Why are you destroying your economy there? Why? Because when you people now later collect this thing, who do you want to govern on? You've already killed them all. That is the reason why I said I don't totally support what Nnamdi Kanu is doing there. You cannot say you are fighting for your people and be killing them. You are not fighting for them. There is a way you can do it. And we all see how Yoruba is doing their own. The only problem that kò nílẹ̀ Yorùbá òun ni religion. Àwọn Muslim jẹ́ ni. Àwa Muslim la fẹ́ cause ìjà religion. Ẹ wá ìlú lílù, ẹ fẹ́ wá gbalẹ̀ mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́. Ṣé believe pé àwọn èèyàn máa wá àwọn ọmọ àlè ló máa ní kí wọ́n gbalẹ̀ bàbá àwọn ọmọ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ àlè, and it's very obvious. Because Ìlọrin àwọn north ti wọbẹ̀, wọ́n ti bára wọn bímọ, wọ́n ti ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, so kò sọgbọ́n kí ló ẹ̀ má wáyé. So for you people for north, if you want to go, please let's go. We are ready to. Nigerians, we are tired. But I just want not to know one thing. Tobani, which region bring down this country is north. Because Tabaka 11 leaders, C22 leaders, 11 leaders. That's in north. Tabari rule. Àbí tabari Awólọ́wọ̀ bí mẹ́ta àbí márùn tó ti rule government yẹn, Nigeria máa ti dá now. In Africa, àwọn lakọ́kọ́ ní television. So àti já China lẹ́yìn gbà kan rí. So see what is happening in Nigeria now. So every time táwọn not say sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ lẹ́yìn ìgbà tẹ́ destroy Nigeria tán. You now say you want to go, you want to leave the country. To go and do what? Anyway, we are also ready if you want to go. Because Nigeria are tired of what is happening now. And for those people attacking Tinubu government, I'm not saying we should not attack Tinubu government. But let's expect limit development. Let's expect limit progress. It's not possible. Ajakawa no runu. Ki want to destroy a country for the past 60 years. Can we expect Kenya to work to in 2 years? It's not possible. The only thing East can fight Tinubu ni pé wọ́n débẹ̀ láti joy tí mo jẹ́ reason pẹ̀lú wọn. That is just the only thing. Tí mo fi wò wípé okay tó fi fight pẹ̀lú Tinubu. But when we think deeply, it's not easy. Ẹ wo bí Buhari ṣe damage Nigeria economy kó tó filẹ̀. Ẹ wo bó ṣe damage ẹ̀. Ẹ wo bó ṣe damage ẹ̀. So I won't say much about this again. Let me just round up. My name is Lekuti Oyeyemi. Bye for now.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.